Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the spooktacular world of Halloween costumes, specifically focusing on the best Pennywise costume for girls. The Rubie's IT Movie Women's Deluxe Pennywise costume. If you're looking to turn heads and make a memorable impression this Halloween, you're in for a treat. Let's explore why this costume stands out from the rest and why it should be at the top of your shopping list. First off, let's talk about what this costume includes. The Rubie's Deluxe Pennywise costume is officially licensed, which means you're getting a product that captures the true essence of the character from the IT movies. This set comes with a strapless top featuring charming red pom-poms, a ruffled neck collar, and a striking metallic puffed skirt that will make you feel like the iconic clown in no time. Additionally, the costume includes pull-on sleevelets and printed boot tops, giving you that full transformation into Pennywise. When it comes to comfort and quality, this costume is made from 100% polyester, ensuring it's lightweight and easy to wear for extended periods. Whether you're trick-or-treating, attending a haunted house, or participating in a fun run, you'll want something that feels good as you strut your spooky stuff. To keep it looking fresh, simply hand wash it, making maintenance a breeze. One important thing to note before you grab your size is that costumes often fit differently than regular clothing. Rubie's provides a female size chart that you can find in the images on the product page. This is crucial to ensuring you get the best fit possible because no one wants to compromise on comfort for style. So, take a moment to check that chart and avoid any sizing surprises. Now, let's discuss where you can wear this fabulous costume. It's not just for Halloween. Imagine making an entrance at a themed party, a movie night with friends, or even a cosplay event. This costume is versatile enough to be worn for haunted houses, parades, or even just for fun at home. It's designed to be eye-catching and to evoke all the spooky feels, ensuring you'll be the life, or should we say the fright, of the party. In conclusion, the Rubie's IT Movie Women's Deluxe Pennywise costume is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to embody the eerie charm of Pennywise this Halloween. With its striking design, quality materials, and versatility for various occasions, this costume is bound to impress. Plus, at a price point of just $48.29, it offers great value for the quality and experience it delivers. So, if you're ready to embrace your inner Pennywise and create some unforgettable Halloween memories, make sure to check out this costume. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Until next time, keep it spooky. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.